Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiran Khokhar and today's video is going to be about love. Not really, actually we are going to do a transitional makeup from day to night क्योंकि I'm sure सब तो बाहर नहीं जाने वाले and some guys must be planning their dates in the house और maybe किसी का plan होगा कि वो रात को date करने जाएंगे and सुबह office जाएंगे. We'll take it minimal to glam. So that without putting much of effort आप इसको easily transition कर सकें and from office आप सीधे अपनी date night पर पहुंच सकें. So that is what we are going to do and the products we are going to use. I got these products from Purple. However, this video is not sponsored, so I'm going to give you my true review on the same. And also बहुत ही affordable makeup range आई है मेरे पास, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना ये Valentine Days look इसी makeup range से बनाऊँ because सारे products somewhere around 400 to 500 के बीच में हैं and that is the best part about it because obviously we don't want to spend that kind of money as of now. And as it is Valentine's Day, I hope you're making your specials feel loved and make sure you tell them that you love them because all we have learned from this COVID is that your loved ones are really important to you. So without further delay, let's get into the video and just take this video smoothly from day to night. I love this foundation and it's very light on skin, plus it lasts you for a good time without cracking up. Somebody that made promises to give you the world. I really hope they held you down. I really hope it was no lying. Cause when heart breaks, it feel like the world's gone. But if the love's real, you feel your soul roar like a lion. And you finally let bygones be bygones. Don't throw in the towel, I know it feels like you're the only one trying. You just gotta learn to live and love on. I belong with the one put on this earth for me. Everybody has their song. Just gotta look and see. I'm screaming out, Lord, help me. I've been lonely. That's me, you ain't sent me. Then you set me free. Sometimes life's a mess. I get high when I'm upset. I remember when me and love didn't click. Searching for something real, then I found it. Oh, sometimes life's a mess. Yeah, I get high when I'm upset. I remember when me and love ain't click. Looking for something real, then I found it. Tribulations, I found my way out. Feel all of the good and bad vibrations all around us. They surround us. Was a lost cause, some lost love. Ain't my fault, pain chose us. Then I found her. My whole world turned upside down, but for the better. I belong with the one put on this earth for me. Everybody has their song. Just gotta look and see. I'm screaming out, Lord, help me. I've been lonely. This will be my look for the daytime. Supposedly I'm going to office or brunch or anything which doesn't require any glam. When I say it's gonna be minimal and simple, it will be simple. So this is very easy to do basic makeup you can carry throughout the day. And now we are going to quickly switch it from day to night. So I have used very subtle colors of eyeshadows, like I just had brown and mix of bronze on my transition on my eyelid area, and then I had mixed it with soft brown which has a little bit of glitter, and have added a bit of light golden on the corner of my eye so that you know it gives a nice bright eyes effect for Valentine's Day. So ये बहुत ही simple look है and बहुत ही simple colors से use हुआ है, and as you have seen I have not even used a lot many products for it. Everything else also I have kept it really nice and matte so that it doesn't require that extra attention because day time पे already light बहुत strong होती है, तो आप नहीं चाहते कि आपका makeup ऐसे बिल्कुल बाहर आए. And foundation is also very light. And with all the products, a bit of review about them. ये सारे products जो मैंने अभी यूज़ किए हैं बहुत ही light and simple feel करा रहे हैं मेरी skin को. Only thing is जो palettes हैं ये stay quirky वाले, इनका pigmentation this palette is for somewhere around 599 rupees, 600. So it's good, but then इसके जो lighter colors हैं उसका pigmentation काफ़ी light है. And जैसे golden भी है तो usually golden अगर आप finger swipe ले रहे हैं तो it comes out really nice and dark.
but if I am going to apply it with brush, it is going to be very lighter on your eyes. Another thing about these palettes is this, that काफ़ी fall out होता है, no, even if it's not on your face, on your, when you're brushing it through, it's there is a lot of fallout, but still 699 599 rupees में इतने सारे colors आ रहे हैं. I guess it's a good deal. All the products I have got here in this basket I really love. Even this lip color is so good. और रही बात ये बनाना पाउडर की, इसने बहुत अच्छा सा मैट फिनिश दिया है फेस को. So yep, all kudos to this, and this is also in 500 rupees guys, so it's a great deal. अब बहुत बातें कर ली है, so let's switch it from day to night. Let's go. Now this is my night time look. I am wearing a really nice pretty dress, and I tied up my hair in a nice bun, and that is for it. I might jewel it up a bit with some jewelries, but as we are concentrating on the makeup, this will be my makeup. Now talking about the products here, I have made my eyes a little more darker and fuller for night, and have even made my lips turn into a little darker shade of Stay Quirky, which I am really loving. I am literally loving this color on my lips. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel about it? Do you like this color on me or the previous one? I like both of them. I feel like that gave me a nice day, like pretty day look, and this is giving me very nice glamorous night, you know, strong confident woman kind of look for evening. And मैंने eyeliner daytime में skip कर दिया था, but I have took it on for night because it looks really cute. That is my day to night switch. I hope you really liked it. All the products are really easy, really good. I would also say that darker shades of Stay Quirky are much better. However, fallout is again the same, but थोड़ा pigmentation उनका ज़्यादा है. For of course they are darker shades, and yeah, they look really pretty. And बहुत ही छोटा सा palette है. You will see it's smaller than my hand size also, so it can easily fit into your bag. It comes in this cartridge packaging, which makes it easier to carry on, because आपको डर नहीं होगा कि ये टूट जाए या कुछ ऐसा हो जाए. So I really loved all the products from it, and I would say my favorite will be this Stay Quirky lip color. I am really loving it. It's just so beautiful. It has just heightened up the whole look. That was all for today's video. I hope you really liked it. If you do, it would really mean a lot if you can motivate me by supporting me on my channel. That will be just by liking and subscribing my videos, and you can let me in the comment section what would you like to see next in my videos. I'll see you next time. I really appreciate you spending time on my channel. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys, and enjoy a lot. Start. Is it even working? Hi, yeah. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my